In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color columns, cells, or values in Monday.com. We'll focus on using conditional coloring, which is a built-in feature that lets you automatically highlight specific cells or entire rows based on rules you define. This is really useful for quickly spotting important items, deadlines, or anything that needs your attention at a glance. Start by opening the board where you want to apply the colors. Look toward the top right corner of your board and find the three-dot menu icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Give that a click to open the drop-down. From this menu, choose Board Settings. This is where Monday.com keeps most of the configuration options that affect how your board behaves and looks. Inside the Board Settings area, look for the option labeled Conditional Coloring and click it. This is the section that controls all your color rules for that specific board. Now you'll see a space where you can add your own rules. Click on Add New Rule. Think of each rule as an if this, then color that instruction for Monday.com. When you create a rule, you're telling the system, if a certain condition is met, then color a specific part of the board. Next, choose a color for this rule. You'll see a little bucket icon. Click that to open the color picker. Select a color that makes sense for the type of data you're highlighting. For example, you might use red for urgent items, green for completed tasks, or yellow for items in progress. Try to keep your color choices consistent across your boards so they're easy to recognize later. Now decide where the color should be applied. You can color only the specific cell that meets the condition, or you can color the entire row for that item. Select cell if you want just the individual value to be highlighted, or row if you want the whole item line to stand out across all columns. Finally, set the condition itself. You'll see a structure like if column, condition a value. First, choose the column you want to base this rule on, such as status, date, or priority. Then choose the condition, like is not, greater than, or contains, depending on the column type. Last, enter or select the value that should trigger the color, such as a specific status, a date, or a keyword. Once you're done, save the rule, and your cells or rows will automatically update with the colors you've chosen whenever those conditions are met.